what's up guys? Welcome to this episode of Veterans Ride. So normally we talk about cars, and every so often we can do something fun, and this episode is exactly just that. Today we're going to be talking about drones. So I just recently saw in the news that the FAA has allowed UPS to deliver medical packages. This is obviously some sort of trial run, but it's not hard to imagine in the future you order something on Amazon, and instead of electric van and mail carrier delivering it to you, it's going to be a drone coming right down to the front of your residence. So drones are our present and they're our future. It's a pretty exciting time. With that being said, I'd like to introduce our guest, Chief Petty Officer of the United States Navy, Saleem Hasan.
Yeah, hey, what's going on, shit, mate?
Hey, how are you? All right, so what do you have for us today?
All right, so today in this bag here, in this little mini camera bag, actually what it is, I got a drone, the DJI Mavic drone. Pretty cool, neat, compact drone.
Okay, and what got you into drones?
So it all started back maybe around like 6-7 years ago. Started off with the little mini helicopters, mini micro helicopters, the indoor ones. You can't fly them outside because of the the winds and so on and so forth. So I started with them, and I liked it so much. I upgraded, went to the bigger scale, and then bigger and bigger, and from there I was actually over at the convention center, and me and my wife were leaving a car show actually, and the guy was outside and he was flying the DJI Mavic. Seen it, and from there I was pretty much sold.
All right, so it's clear with what you had just said that there's a progression, that you started with something small and then it just grew from there. So that's pretty cool. So at this time, let's go ahead and check it out.
All right, so this is the DJI Mavic. Comes in this little small, compact, cool case. Neat drone. Has a 4K camera, 4 brushless motors, cameras. All right. As you unfold it, expose its battery here. Range, 4.6 mile range. Battery life's about 30 minutes, and it's pretty much the gist of it. As it's forward-looking sensors here, and forward two in the front, then 4 at the bottom. It's pretty much the gist of it. So it's pretty neat.
This sounds pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and take it for a flight.
Hey, yeah, man. Did you want to check it out?
Yeah, of course. Thanks. Let's see, where are we at? Oh, there's a stadium. Hey, I see the trolley. This is down. Where's that sailor that's kissing that girl? See if we can find it.
Oh, that's over there near the.
Oh, it's by the midway. Yeah, that's not.
Oh. See, like I was saying with the battery, it lets you know how much flight time you have left, which is
15 minutes. Oh,
15 minutes, right? Then it gives you this bar here. So pretty much when them two meet, it lets you know what it'll do. It'll tell the drone, hey, come home automatically. So it'll automatically return back to home, and it gives you like a good cushion for like 5 minutes or so to compensate for any like winds or anything like that.
God, it's such a beautiful shot of the city. Hey, how do you take a picture again? Just turn this off.
This one, yeah. So that's this one. Start recording. All right, you can see it right there. So when it takes a picture, the lights stay red.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Especially in the HDR mode, it sits there for a while.
Let me fly over Harbor Drive real quick. I just can't believe how stable it is.
Crazy technology is super crazy. So this is commercial. You can only imagine it's military specs, you know.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna bring it back up to 600 feet and hand it back for you. Thank you very much. I think this was. I feel like it's way above my skill level, but I'm able to operate this thing similar to like a video game or something. So, yeah, let's bring it back home. Thank you very much.
Oh yeah, cool.
So that was a lot of fun flying this drone across San Diego Bay. It was quite an experience. I had a lot of fun. Thank you very much. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you guys later.